the only one eh. Good morning mga higala! So today mga higala, I'm happy because we are okay.
Sana all.
Okay na may sa akong banana. Pupunta kami sa labas. Wow!
Mayong buntag. Today I take it to the airport and I leave her there.
Pupunta kami sa labas mga higala kasi magpadala siya ng pera sa Pinas. Tapos maghanap kami ng ring light. Maghanap din kami ng para kamera niya para sa cycling niya din. Papunta na kami mga higala no sa Western Union. So yun, kahapon galing kami sa mga higala sa store ng mga ring light. Tapos wala daw silang stock. Sabi nila ngayon daw darating yung stock nila. So pupunta kami doon. Try namin kung kaya ba sa budget, no?
It's all nonsense. I'm going to drop it off in the corner.
And then try namin ngayon. Depende yun magkano sa budget.
And no lunch for her today, okay? I'm going to go do mukbang with myself, alright?
Nandito na kami mga higala.
I'm going in here. It's called
Western
Union. I'm sending money to Hawaii now for my holiday.
Di pwede dito, dalawa mga higala. So dito lang ako sa labas. Siya lang yung papasok sa loob. Waiting ako sa labas mga higala. So mga higala, nag-set na yung mahal ko no ng money doon sa Pinas. So papunta na kami sa Gordon's Bay para sa ring light. Sana ma-stock na sila mga higala no. Mga higala, ito na yung ring light. Buti ma-stock na sila.
Let's put this one on. Yes, sir. Oh.
Ayun.
No. I'm going to get right in it. Right? Perfect.
Perfect. So mga higala, ito na ang ring light mga higala. Tapos yung steak na sa likod. So yun, tapos wala kami sa plano na bibili kami ng kissing. Yung husband ko din bumili din ng kissing sa cellphone mga higala. So yun, wala silang microphone mga higala. Baka next month mayroon sila or ngayong katapusan. Wala. Ang ring light na dito mga higala is 2,000 plus sa Pinas. Ang mahal man mga higala is sa Pinas 800 yata. Tapos dito mga higala, walang 800 dito. Ito na. Ang mahal. Dito kami sa beach mga higala. Dito kami kakain ng lunch sa beach road.
We're going into this restaurant over here called Ben's, but Mom is going to stay outside and she's going to watch me from the window, okay, while I go eat.
We are waiting our food. Kasi
No food for her. There's no food for her.
nagutom na kami mga higala no sa kalibot-libot. Mga higala nakasa ko no. Kaya ang plato hapit na buak. Oh no. So yun mga higala. Hindi kami nakabili ng mga higala. Yung camera niya para cycling kasi nga yung nagunahuna pa may mga higala no kung ano ang bibilhin namin, yung drone ba or ang pang camera cycling ni Ja.
I must Google the drone now while I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
I have
Kasi
something to do.
Kasi nga, nag-ano kami mga higala ba, isip-isip kung ano ang maganda. Kasi para sa akin mga higala, no, drone talaga ang mas maganda. Tapos gusto niya yung cycling camera. So yun, isip-isip muna kami mga higala, no, kung ano ang bibilhin. Ito na yung food namin. Ang daming food. Si hubby ko mga higala, oh. See? Grabe mga higala, hindi to yata nagda-diet.
You can just push it on.
Thank you. Tapos na kami, mga higala. On the way home na kami.
It was terrible.
Ang mahal-mahal mga higala. Yeah, ang mahal-mahal ng food nila mga higala, no? Tapos, hindi masarap.
350 for terrible food, okay? The chicken was dry. Your lamb, your beef, I think it had died 2 years ago already, okay? And it was so small. Behind this mask is a very, not an ugly man, okay? Quite handsome.
Ang init, pero malamig. Yeah? So, nandito kami. Upo-upo muna kami mga higala, no? Tapos kiss-kiss siya.
Oh my God! Wow! 1 hour later.
Hello mga higala. So, nandito na kami sa bahay, no? My husband, hindi siya nakabili ng camera cycling. Kasi nga, nagdadalawang isip kami kung ano ang bibili namin, yung drone ba or yung cycling camera. So, maybe next week, na yung hobby ko, maka-decide na kung ano ang bibilhin niya mga higala.
I think the drone, honey. The drone will be better for what we want to do, okay? The action camera can come later. I think the drone. I just got to find the right drone with the right camera. And to do a challenge. A crazy challenge.
Yeah.
I think
Kick flower challenge.
I think I'm 15 turning 16 soon, okay? This one is really for
Ito mga
15
higala,
year olds.
oh. Kick flower.
Yeah, because she doesn't want to bake now, so we use the flour for something else, okay? All right. Questions now.
Number one.
First up,
Number
over
one.
here, okay? Because we must go. I don't want my hair pulled out of my head, okay?
Who is the horny and malibog? Who is the horny one?
You, not me. You,
Who's the horny one?
you, you far away. You're the only one. Cut. Your face,
You're the one.
I'm the good one.
You're the
Don't
horny one.
believe her, okay? Don't believe her.
We are same horny, yeah? Okay, go. Go.
This is crazy.
You're so...
I can't see.
You can see.
Look at the flower.
No,
Oh,
it's
I
okay.
can sneeze. I can sneeze. Oh, the flower.
Who is the always eating and greedy? Who is always eating greedy? So you can...
It's you. It's you, not me, okay? I'm the
Okay.
good one.
Who is the naughty one? And greedy?
You're the naughty one. Let's go. You're the naughty one.
Wait, always fall.
See, I'm the good one. I'm the good boy. Okay.
Okay. Who is the messy one? Yeah, you're the one.
Who is that?
Messy one.
Messy one.
Oh, yeah, you're the one.
I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Who is good in cooking? Who is good in cooking? You're the one.
You're the one.
Aching naman ba?
You cheated now.
Okay. Who is the best dancer in the band?
You're the best dancer, okay?
And then who is the lazy? Who is the lazy one?
Oh my goodness, yes, the lady one, yes, the lady one.
Alag ka, mamatay. Matay.
Look at this.
Alag ka, Luoy.
I think I look like the guy from Kiss, you know? I started a rock band, yeah.
Who is always washing the clothes? Who is always washing the clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah, di ba mabait siya? Mga higala, mabait siya. Also, who is ungenerous?
Who's the most generous of the two? Yeah. She's always giving everything away, okay?
And then, who is the noisy one?
Who is the noisy one?
Yeah, talking too much, you know?
See? I win. I should have a clean face, okay?
I just the one. And then, who is the moody one?
Yes, the moody one. One moody girl. Okay. One moody girl.
Mahal, why I always me?
Yeah.
Who is loves to sing and dance?
Oh, no. Cheat. See?
And then, who is always take a shower? Hindi ako palagi naliligo, mga higala. Who is drinking a lot of beer? Who is
Yeah. Here we go.
Grabe makadas mo, animal.
She loves red horse. Red horse, but sometimes she likes the baby beers.
Who is more jealous in social media? Yeah, you are the one.
That's not true. That's not true.
Okay, ano Diyos ko, mga higala. So that's all, mga higala, no? My honey bunny.
Smile for the camera.
Kasi
Smile.
my honey bunny is, I think is, aching-aching na ko na siya. Aching-aching na ko na siya.
Paano masabi?
Sa mga higala, no? So
This
that's
is my
all.
I think this is my normal look, you know what I mean? If you use the opal, then this is my normal look, you know? I don't even have to put flour on for the opal.
Ginawa ko,
Listen, guys, this has been fun. It's a little bit crazy.
so that's all, mga higala.
That is all, my gala.
I hope na-enjoy kayo.
Yeah. And
Masarap pala yung mga higala, no? Yung
she looks a lot
Keep
older.
low.
She looks like an Indian woman, yeah? A red Indian from from America. Yeah, see?
just kami yung marimah.
Hey, gosh. I don't think I want to go to sleep tonight
Mahal,
because I'm going to worry
mahal.
about this face, okay?
Who is the noisy one in the bed?
That's not true. That's not true.
Okay, that's all.
A few moments later.
Come sit here. We just finished that. We cleaned ourselves up again.
Sakit yung mata
Okay?
ko, mga higala, no?
So we're a little bit clean again. I think I need to go and shower because I think I've got flour up my nose. The crazy things that we do, but we'll probably still do crazier things than this, knowing Mom here.
Yeah.
Okay. So just to know that more is coming. Okay. We just haven't figured out what is coming, but more is coming. Hi Gala. We want to thank everybody for following us. That does on our YouTube channel. But Sherry would like to just shout out a couple of names that are special on YouTube and that always make comments.
Yeah.
Sherry?
Si Yoli Torres, Aileen Angkaya. So silang dalawa is wala silang YouTube channel, no? Wala silang mga ano ba. Pero palagi silang nagpapalo sa akin, mga higala. Tapos si Team Triple E Vlog, si Cindy B Family, Bisaya Sad, Maria B Morina, at saka si Lia and Fam TV. Pinsan ko siya, mga higala. So salamat sa inyong lahat sa palaging nanonood sa videos namin. Kahit minsan, yung mga videos namin, walang kwentang-kwenta. Pero nandiyan pa rin kayo, nagsusupport sa amin. So, thank you. Thank you. Sana hindi kayo magsawang manood.
But once again, thank you to all our followers that do actually follow and comment on our channel. Okay? We
Yeah.
appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Just one thing, possibly the next time you see us, we might have our t-shirts with our name on it.
Yeah, lalagyan
Okay?
namin to ng pangalan, mga
With
higala.
Sherry and Diane.
African Visayan couple. So,
Okay?
okay, mga higala. Babu!
Bye-bye!